Earth is our home. She gives us land to live on, trees to give us fresh air, and soil to grow food. She is strong, but she also needs our help. Every day, people cut down forests to make space for buildings and roads. The land becomes dry, and without trees, the air gets polluted. Trash is everywhere, polluting our soil and making it hard for plants to grow. If we keep harming the land, there will be no clean air to breathe, no healthy food to eat, and no safe place for us and the next generations.
Kakain pa noon. Hindi tapos kong hangin. Ang pagtanom, ay maghatag na ito laong.
Yes, we can change this. We can plant trees to bring back fresh air. We can stop throwing trash anywhere and keep our surroundings clean. We can protect the land and make it green again. Small actions make a big difference. If we take care of Mother Earth, she will take care of us. Let's work together to protect our home before it's too late.